Action. Baby, let me be your Superman. Like I want you to be my kryptonite. Baby, let me do what I can. Make you feel oh so right. So I have to bend bars still. Turn diamonds from cold.
Oh, 70s.
No!
Does a man
Never
tell you
touch my radio. I know you're new, but
You got a video game on this? Wait, what is this button do?
no.
What does that do? Ooh, 90s? 70s? 80s?
80s rules.
You got Outlaw Country on this? Anywhere? Where were you? Oh, I changed the time.
Oh my god.
I changed the time. It's like Pacific time or something.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, how's that? Is that it?
You break it, Captain's gonna kick your ass.
Come on, feel it. Come on. Feel it. And you're right. But, oh, nope. 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 I could just dodge pain.
Okay.
This it?
This is it. This is where the victim was found, covered with blood.
It's hard to believe that someone can get killed in such a beautiful place.
I know.
Just imagine you're running along sometime and all of a sudden, BAM! Lights out. Guess you can say she ran herself to death.
You have no compassion.
Sure I do. Well, sometimes.
Well, Captain wants us to push hard on this one. It's not the first time it happened, but apparently this woman is worth time and money. But it would have been nice if they actually protected the site until we got here.
Yeah, neighborhood committee didn't like our barricades and yellow tape, so they collected what they could and they took it to the lab. Okay, guess we ought to get started.
Okay. Captain wants to see us in the office first thing in the morning to discuss the case. Okay, seriously, I have got to ask, what is up with the outfit?
What?
Who are you supposed to be? Johnny Depp?
Very funny, Wonder Woman. By the way, how did you get such a nice car? All I got from the captain was a rusty bucket and 4 ball pipes. Alright. I'm gonna track in your car.
And action. Baby, let me be your Superman. Like I want you to be my kryptonite. Baby, let me do what I can. Make you feel oh so right.